friends, today we will discuss why the sky looks blue. It is easy to see that the sky is blue. Have you ever wondered why? A clear, cloudless daytime sky is blue because the molecules in the air scatter blue light from the sun more than the scattered red light. When we look toward the sun at sunset, we see red and orange colors because the blue light has been scattered out and away from the line of sight. White light from the sun is a mixture of all colors of a rainbow as shown in figure. This was demonstrated by Isaac Newton who used a prism to separate the different colors and so form a spectrum. The colors of light are distinguished by different wavelength. The visible part of the spectrum ranges from red light of a wavelength of about 720 nanometer to a violet of a wavelength of about 380 nanometer, with orange, yellow, green, blue and indigo between, and three different types of color receptors in the retina of the human eye responds to most strongly to red, blue, green wavelength, giving us our color vision. Now the first step to correctly explaining the color of the sky were taken by John Tyndall in 1859. He discovered that when light passes through a clear fluid holding the small particles in suspension, the shorter blue wavelengths are scattered more strongly than the red. This can be demonstrated by a shining beam of light through a tank of water with a little amount of milk or soap mixed in. Then from the side, beam can be seen by the blue light. It scatters, but the light seen directly from the end is red end after it passing through the tank. The scattered light can also be shown to be polarized using a filter of polarized light. Just as the sky appears deeper blue through a polarized sunglasses. This is most correctly called the Tyndall effect, but it is more commonly known to physicist Rayleigh scattering after the Lord Rayleigh, who showed that the amount of light scattered is inversely proportional to the fourth power of the wavelength for sufficiently small particles. It follows that the blue light is scattered more than the red light by a factor of 700/400 multiplied by 4 is equal to 10. Thus, Tyndall and Rayleigh thought that the blue color of the sky is due to the small particles of the dust and droplets of water vapors in the atmosphere, and the molecules of oxygen and nitrogen in the air are sufficient to account for the scattering. Also, the molecules are able to scatter light because the electromagnetic field of the light waves induces the electric dipole moment in the molecules. Thank you.